Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network, MetalX, the pros and cons. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, guys, then make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. You can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us first and foremost look at the prices of both XPR and loan at the time of the recording. So, guys, XPR network is up 1.33% for the day. The price is $0.00008361. It went all the way from 0.000159 to 0.000085 approximately, and then it is consolidating here. Let me show you the 7-day chart. So yeah, it is up 5.76% for the day. Went all the way from 0.000727, guys, extremely low prices, all the way to 0.000087. And like I told you guys, it has dipped a bit at the moment. Yeah, these were some really great prices to get into for some short-term move as well as long-term, because if you look at the all-time chart, guys, XPR network is down 98.72%. I mean, rationally speaking, I do not see this thing falling any further, to be very honest. I mean, yeah, where would it fall? These are the levels, 0.0007, or yeah, I think it went down. What was its all-time low? Let us check that out. What was the all-time low? Yeah, so 0.0055. It is up 50.86%. I mean, anything can happen in crypto, not financial advice, but I do not see it falling any further. But if it happens, if it breaks its all-time low, I would be surprised. So not financial advice, but you guys can do your own due diligence, your own research, only invest what you can afford to lose, because the market cap is only $20 million at the moment. Fully diluted market cap $23 million. So yeah, let us check out loan as well. This is loan, MetalX's coin. If you look at the market cap, 981,000 market cap. Fully diluted market cap is $3.6 million at the moment. If you look at the volume, it is showing 0.01, but I saw it in CoinGecko, guys. It was $56,000 at the moment. So if you look at the all-time chart, yeah, this is a attraction point. Like I always say, there is always an attraction point in all of these coins. The range of 0.4045 approximately is a attraction point. This is the price that it gets attracted to as a magnet. The price gets attracted to. So yeah, whenever it goes down, it comes back up, goes back up, comes back down here. But in the long run, guys, I think that it has the potential to do good as well. Why is that so? Let me show you the pros and cons of MetalX. I found this really good piece, guys. Let me share this with you. This has been posted on, this was published on December 20th, 2023, but it has been last updated recently on January 26, 2024. A really good piece. It is in detail, so you guys have to check this out yourselves. I'm going to be skimming through this. So this is the MetalX review, guys, 2024. Our take on MetalX. So let us look at the bottom line first. MetalX is a selection of decentralized financial crypto-based services running on the XPR network, guys. It is built on the XPR network. We've talked about it. So Milk Road has reviewed it according to XPR Network and the Metallicus team that independently they've reviewed it. Built by Metallicus, the company behind the network itself, MetalPay and WEBAUTH wallet. metalx integrates seamlessly with the WEBAUTH wallet, the native wallet of the Metallicus ecosystem, and offers a number of financial services. This includes token swaps, trades, crypto loans, like I told you guys, participation in pools and farms, as well as access to a fiat on ramp And since MetalX runs on the XPR network, transactions are instant and gas-free. Like you know, guys, XPR network is gas-free, so MetalX makes use of that. So basically, Milk Road has reviewed this and granted this 4.4 milk stars. So yeah, cost 0.1%, token availability worldwide, cool, liquidity pool, smart contracts, MetalX lending's pressure-proven smart contract ensures all loans are accurately tracked in real time, rewarding rates, lightning fast, powerful API, you're in control. So what are the pros and cons? So first and foremost, let us look at the cons. Must first bridge tokens to XPR network, basically making use of the XPR network a lot. So there is a catch to this as well. When it bridges tokens to XPR network, the pro is that it has no network fees. So one con, one pro balanced out. It has low liquidity at the moment. Obviously, it is just beginning. The DeFi of XPR network is just exploring itself. Near instant transactions. So that is also making use of the XPR network's infrastructure. Limited trading pairs at the moment. It is also it has the potential to increase as well. Many financial services all in one spot, like loans and all of that stuff. You guys can borrow, lend, crypto, even the cryptos that do not involve the XPR ecosystem, the Metallicus ecosystem, like XRP and other coins, guys, lending and borrowing them for passive income and all of that stuff. MetalX overview: fees 0.1% trading and swap fees, zero network fees. Check this out. They're supported cryptocurrencies, available everywhere. So we just saw what is MetalX. It is basically the DEX, the decentralized exchange of Metallicus ecosystem built on XPR network. It has a lot of use cases, guys. Lending, borrowing, using a native swap and all of that stuff, guys. MetalX also offers its own stablecoin, Metal Dollar, which is backed with a vault of other non-algorithmic tokens such as USDT and USDC. Cool. So what are the MetalX key features? This is the DEX. You guys can trade, swap. They have got liquidity pools like Uniswap and PancakeSwap that you are used to. Fiat on ramp. MetalX uses MetalPay. This is also a product of Metallicus ecosystem for their fiat on ramp, supporting fiat currencies, support of debit and credit cards. Awesome. Loans, like I told you guys, they've got they make use of the WEBAUTH wallet as well. Yeah, lending and borrowing, OTC trades. MetalX also offers an OTC page allowing two users to make a trade directly with a visual interface showing the tokens and NFTs. Streaming payments, another interesting feature. No gas fees, like I told you guys, no gas fees. There are no network fees on XPR network, so MetalX makes use of that. Our expert review of MetalX. Metal provides a nice centralized location for most of your crypto financial needs. The interface is good, slick. DeFi services makes use of this is basically the DeFi of XPR network. Customer service, being a decentralized service, MetalX won't have a full suite of customer service options. They do offer email support with a quick turnaround in my experience. So that is cool. They also host a Discord server to answer your questions. So these are the good, another good section over here. Who's MetalX for and who it isn't for? This is a really interesting one as well. So it is for the high frequency traders, those who like to chase the best percentage rate returns, should love the fee-free transactions on the XPR network. You guys know that the Ethereum gas fees are extremely high on Uniswap, so this is cool. People who want all of their tokens in one wallet. If you have tokens spanning multiple blockchains, keeping track of several different wallets can quickly turn into a chore. So by using WebAuth wallet and the XPR network, users can store all of their tokens in one wallet and still have access to trading. So this is another benefit, and this is another pro basically of MetalX. Furthermore, the liquidity providers, MetalX, suffers from a lack of liquidity on many of their swap pairs. Someone with decent sized bags of crypto could easily make their mark by supporting the MetalX ecosystem. So basically, being someone who supports MetalX from the foundation, cool liquidity, providing liquidity, the opportunity to provide liquidity, basically. So who's it not for? People who don't want to transfer their tokens, getting your crypto onto the XPR network, basically to use the MetalX ecosystem will require some transfer fees for token bridging, which some people may not want to pay. People who frequently use their tokens for blockchain interactions, with their tokens transferred to XPR network, they become unusable on their native chains. Privacy focused individuals and organizations, as you guys know, that they have a KYC process, and many are a bit pessimistic on the KYC and that aspect of crypto that is now coming. Making any meaningful transaction on XPR network requires passing a KYC process, which those concerned with privacy may not want to deal with, guys. So these were basically this was the overview of Metal X, its loan protocol, and the pros, the cons, who is it for, and who it isn't it for. So, guys, what do you guys think about MetalX? Do you think that it can become a crucial key to XPR networks and Metallicus' success? I think, yeah, a good DeFi obviously is a really, it gives the competitive edge to any blockchain out there. So I think that this is great, guys. They need to basically work on their cons and work on their liquidity and all of that stuff basically. So what do you guys think? What can it improve? And what do you like about MetalX? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Discuss it out. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And do hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.